Welcome to the Energy Downer simulation. Within this simulation, you'll investigate the potential energy/electrical energy conversions in regular and regeneration drive elevators. To begin, select which elevator type you would like to study, traction or regen drive. Now note under the unload display how your elevator will be unloading the passengers in the morning. It will either be taking everyone all the way up to the top floor, or half of the passengers to midway and the other half to the top. Also note, when the elevator is empty, it has a weight of 25,000 newtons, while the counterweight device weighs 26,600 newtons. Select Load Minimum or Load Maximum to have your passengers wobble into the elevator, increasing the elevator load. Click the up arrow to transport the passengers to their destination. The height of the elevator will be shown, and the motor/generator energy will display how much work the elevator did. A positive value indicates how much electrical energy was used to complete the motion. A negative value shows that the elevator motor was operating as a generator, and electricity was actually produced in the process. Bring the elevator back down to the bottom floor and see the difference in work done. Continue to transport all of the passengers from the bottom floor, testing different elevator loads for new results. After all of the passengers have been transported up, and the elevator has returned to the base floor, the simulation will switch over to the evening and all of the passengers will need to head to the bottom floor. Transport them back down, but watch how much work is done this time around by having the elevator go up without any passengers and down with a heavier load. When you are done transporting all of the passengers, restart the simulation and use the other elevator type to determine the elevator's energy consumption.